Jasmine.
Ani gwo badogamba?
Lydia Jasmine.
Oyine linya lyo badoyisawo.
Ava piece. Okay, Lydia Jasmine.
Lydia omwaka sebo yaliko.
Ata ina ne concert.
Ata ina obuyimba obusuka mukamu mu myezi egyo nga tezo na hits. Sindi first born atadzibwako enza suka sidzibwako hello mami ne bana mwe
aina show actually noza neno show yendala jogendo genda kutotola genda muzi shows
kati eno show nagisasulidde tebo badia wendi njagala kubeera wali maso ndabe bambi she deserves
yeah Lydia deserves
njagala nnyo bambi abana ngabano she has really hustled her way up ayimbye n'ayimba nga n'olusi tebamulaba omanyi mulimu abantu nga bali underrated do you know that so music industry Uganda chenjira mtu ina abantu nga bali underrated ate nga munanga abandi bade underrated bali overrated sometimes because of maybe the effort ono imano mwala sinzo yimba nga olusi management zimutawanya
actually atinyo deneso nga rachi she has issues with management she's too beautiful nti management but ukane basabe bibatuba
ate nga kituufu mulekerawo bana abasajja bana mulemeseza abana music ye Uganda
Spice Dano na abadde ne issues nono omukyala bamuyitale hasinge ne saha nagana
mukyala Lydia
so na kyatogedeko yes
bayina issues nga ziva kwani ate bannange
nange simanyi ngovude kuzakaro nantongo ne Kenzo
ezakaro za kitom
Kat Spice ne Lydia babadde ne you remember even when they had Shibali okajje wano
bana bayino kolegana lwansonga bonna bantu balamu Lydia ino mutima omulungi ka Spice cafe ate ko kakisusamu so tebayina ate kwedana simanyi kweza vudi era babulunje n'abalungi tebewalana teri mukazi ali confident awalana mukazi munne
omulungi ayagala atambula n'ebibi ku side
abo tebaba confident Jackster teri muntu kunsi yekirizamu ati atambula na mulungi munne era wegendereza abawo zambu atambula na bibi ku side abeera just yawo ngabuza
katufune Lydia Jasmine as she wraps up the year how the year has been what she anticipates for 2024 she is the prospect of this year
ye
concert y'omwaka
mujachiulira
the culture is evolving now their album so I'm going to have my album and I feel like this is the time now I'm also now ready and set and that album is going to be very beautiful and special so the one you're releasing after the concert so I intend to put some international artists maybe after the concert we will plan that abantu balina omumanya Uganda engeri music industry yaffe structure bweri eyawukanamu nnyo ku ba Nigeria ba ku America sorry ku western world nti nolaba ne baneiba baffe abalunarwanda bali mukola speed naye nabo bali mutandika kwa dobe ekintu kya album kibadde kikula bukozi exactly tujja genda yeyo what is the whole use of you releasing what is the point of releasing an album nyimba asatu nezikusala ne ufuna mulu mubili just kuba kati senga tekuli international solo kola wano nga yawano then solo kuteza lwaki okola album nga teliko something interesting something that will attract that person to listen or to buy you know agambe yeah kwegamba no kweselinga outside album ino kuba intention nga esolo kuba streamed nogifunamu not just in your country but outside the country as well nga ochimanye nti nze mbadde sina management for a long time I do my things I have a team a very good team by the way bali bebaza nnyo nti bakoze nnyo guno omwaka we're getting there mpola mpola you know it's not easy dala fa abana bobuwala nga tolina muntu akuteeka muntu olina ki but again you see my brand I'm always compared to the people buying everything like about receiving everything on a silver plate kubanga abantu baze ban confusing nnyo nti LG abale ne bamanager bandi abamu bempuya ne ku social media nange ne ngamba so the time I left my old man nakola ko na bush yeka zenga as a manager owokubiri ya Mr. Ronnie Mulindwa bali abantu aba ate Mr. Ronnie Mulindwa nze namunoonya ninga nimufuna je yali eyo ne mugamba because yali akoze ko nabala nendoza nti tujja kwatagana mangu je ina obsessions it would be easy for him to handle kuba ebizibu nze byendaba mu management abala byetufuna and professionalism yaba managers you know and for me nagamba nabikowa so people babelewa ne batujudging nti bate tuli manageable kyobachi ne bera nti tuli bana babuwala olusola bise bulungi omuntu azejjoli nga zena intentions zendala so gwe bovayo nti ho yagobye manager oh no li yamugobye no okitegeera so these people come your way most of them come with other intentions that's the fact that female artists won't say well others are okay with dating their managers but for me emyaka gye namuwa twa agreeing 3 years jagwako ne tupatinga bulungi Era actually ne ku show yange eno gye ngenda okukola, he's gonna be a part of it.
Kawunyemu 360 ewagidwa